Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my go-to salad dressing recipes that are made with ingredients that are usually found inside my fridge and might be in yours as well. So leafy greens might be the first thing you think of when I say salad dressings, but salad dressings are actually quite versatile. You can put them in pasta salads, you can use them to dress up simple legumes, you can also use them as a dip. So don't feel confined to leafy greens when you make salad dressings. So I like making small batch salad dressings at home because I'm one of those people who like to have a variety of salad dressings. And that usually leads to me having multiple bottles of salad dressings that are used only a couple of times, and then they just hang out in the fridge until they expire and I toss them. So it's just a bit more practical for me to do it this way. So today I'll be sharing with you how to make my go-to citrus dressing, a creamy lemon dressing, and a very basic honey mustard dressing. So these are all small batches that you can pretty much use up within the week, so the next week you can have a different flavor and not get bored. So let's get started. For my citrus dressing, we'll start with half a cup of orange juice. If you don't have any, you can use lemon or lime. We'll be putting in 1/3 cup of olive oil. Next, you can put in 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Finally, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of mustard powder. Mix everything to combine. For the creamy lemon dressing, we'll start with half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 clove of minced garlic, and then half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything to combine. For the honey mustard dressing, we'll start with 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and then half a teaspoon of salt. And once again, mix everything to combine. And there you have it, 3 super simple salad dressings that you can make at home. And if you find that they have separated, just give it a shake and it'll get back together in no time. And again, if you're looking for the printable version of the recipe, you can find that link down below in the description box. And if you found this video to be helpful, I really would appreciate it if you clicked on the like button and subscribe for more new videos weekly. Until next time, bye!